Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I'm going to set you guys up on the tripod here, and we are going to clean our first door panel. I'm going to start some interior detailing today on the 59. Phone has been ringing off the hook with this one. I've got appointments set up for people to come see it. However, the more I work on it, the more we like it. So I don't know what's going to happen yet. But anyway, thanks for joining the video, guys. Let's get started. I moved the car up into the shade so it's a little better working conditions, but you can see the vinyl already looks so much better on this door. So now we're going to finish the bright work, the metal work, and the stainless. So I just took my little itty bitty screwdriver right here and actually just undid this part. It goes right here, and I'm going to take that back plate out as well, because as you can see, there's dirt on it right there, and it's really difficult to get in there with the door handle. So literally 3 screws, which I put right there next to our bullet, and you just pop it out, and I'm going to go actually clean it in the sink with some SOS. I'll be back. All right, so these are our door pieces. My mom cleaned these up beautifully. As you can see, they look like a mirror again. Totally brand new. So I'm going to take the 3 little screws and put that back in right now, and we'll have one completed door panel. All right, we have one completed door handle, and door panel, I should say. Did the glass and the track all around there. It looks gorgeous now. And I did a little bit of wire brushing here in the sill, just to get some dirt out. It looks really good. I believe we're going to take the carpet out because obviously there's no saving that. So I'd rather just prefer to see the floors. But a lot of dirt, a lot of dust, so I need to actually get a hose in here and just lightly spray out this dust without getting the interior of the car wet. Alright, so all of our door panels are done. My mom's cleaning the last one of the little things that goes behind the handle. Like I said, we'll get to jams and all that because I'm going to take out the carpet and wire brush the floors, just taking little chunks at a time. But all the bright work on the door panels looks amazing. She came out and did a little bit on the horn and the horn ring, which to have an original horn ring intact, that's really something. I cleaned the gauge cluster a little bit, which, like I said, haven't touched the dash yet. We'll get there. I'll get to that. But the horn and the horn ring, thank you, Mama. It looks gorgeous. Door panels look really nice. Cleaned up really well. But yeah, I think our next step is going to be ripping out carpet and also ripping out this nasty package tray because it just makes the car look really bad. So anyway, all right, probably going to take it for another little putt right now. I enjoy driving it a lot. So have a blessed evening, everybody. Take care. See you soon.